Imagine two people. They both earn the same salary. They both have the same 24 hours every day. They both dream of becoming rich. 10 years later, one owns investments, a successful business, and financial freedom. The other is still living paycheck to paycheck. What made the difference? It wasn't luck. It wasn't intelligence. It was the choices they made every single day. In this video, you'll learn the habits that separate wealthy people from everyone else. Let's begin. 1. Stop trading time for money. Most people believe working harder leads to becoming rich. But there's a problem. You only have 24 hours in a day. If your income depends entirely on your time, your earnings will always have a limit. Wealthy people build assets that continue earning even when they aren't working. These assets include businesses, investments, rental properties, digital products, YouTube channels, books. Instead of asking, how can I earn more today? Ask, how can I build something that earns money for years? That's how wealth begins. 2. Spend less than you earn. This sounds simple, yet millions of people earn more every year but stay broke. Why? Because their lifestyle grows faster than their income. A bigger paycheck often leads to a bigger car, a bigger house, more expensive clothes, more subscriptions. Instead, wealthy people increase their investments before increasing their lifestyle. The gap between what you earn and what you spend is called your savings rate. That gap is where your future wealth lives. 3. Invest early. Money grows through compound interest. Imagine investing a small amount every month for many years. Your money doesn't just earn returns. Those returns begin earning returns too. Time is the secret. The earlier you start, the less money you actually need to invest. Waiting 5 or 10 years can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars in future wealth. The best day to start investing was years ago. The second best day is today. Finally, track every dollar. A simple budget helps you spend intentionally and invest more. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through small, smart habits repeated every single day. Create multiple income streams. Consider side businesses, freelancing, dividends, or rental income. Habit 4. Keep learning high-income skills. Your income is one of your greatest financial assets. The more valuable your skills become, the more opportunities you'll have. Learn communication, sales, marketing, programming, artificial intelligence, video editing, business. Every new skill increases your earning potential. Invest in yourself before investing anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and follow for more updates daily.